Today, how we have it? We never get history fair. Today, we're doing first Nightingale. Yeah. First, let's see which is the first one. First, I'm gonna eat a biscuit. This one. Before Nightingale is born, he is Columbus. Oh, one sec, guys. Nah. Okay. Nightingale was born in 1910s. Oh yeah, 1810s, and then then the war is here at 1830. War is in 19.
Sorry.
No. A little bit good. Oh, okay. No. And the war is, then he stood in 100 years old. Oh, and then he traveled to Scutari Hotel. It's stinky. Rats. It smells dirty. And it's clean now. And he died. And meow. She dies in 1910s, 90 years old. Thank you. And that's the history of Bruce Nightingale. Who likes histories? Clap your hands. No, he's not my dad. He's our directional kind of story. No, bye. And this.